हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू द यूट्यूब चैनल इंग्लिश ओवर द मोबाइल फ़ोन। मैं रवि देथलिया आपके लिए लेकर आया हूँ डेली यूज़ हिंदी इंग्लिश वोकेबलरी विच विल बी वेरी हेल्पफुल फॉर यू टू इन्हेंस योर इंग्लिश वोकेबलरी as well as your English fluency. So don't forget to watch the video till end. Let's start with the first vocabulary word. The first word is detect. It means पता लगाना. The next word is diligent. It means parishrami. The next word is drought. It means sukha. The next word is luminous. It means chamkila. The next word is cunning. It means chalak. The next word is fortunate. It means bhagyashali. The next word is immoral. It means unethic. The next word is introvert. It means antarmukhi. The next word is majority. It means bahumat. The next word is rough. It means khurdara. The next word is narrow. It means sankara. The next word is ripe. It means paka hua. The next word is absent. It means anupasthit. The next word is written. It means likha hua. The next word is bank. It means kinara. The next word is condition. It means sthiti. The next word is light. It means roshni ya halka. The next word is kind. It means dayalu. The next word is function. It means samaroh. The next word is general. It means samanya. The next word is fast. It means tej ya upwas. The next word is gradually. It means dhire dhire. The next word is hasty. It means jaldbazi ka. The next word is endless. It means antaheen. The next word is curiously. It means jigyasa se. So guys, thank you for watching the video. Please like, subscribe and share the video for more vocabulary words videos.